Good morning, people. What's going on? It's been a hot while since I've done any motor vlog, and it's been a hot while since I've been on a road trip on Ronin. Since you all know, the COVID has hit us all very hard this year, so we were all stuck at our homes. But thankfully now the situation is getting better, and the lockdown has been revoked in all parts of Delhi and even in the outer states. So that is the reason the time right now is 10:37. No, sorry, it's not 10:37, it is 4:20 a.m. in the morning. And if it's this early in the morning, that only says one thing, that I'm out for a road trip. Where I'm going, where I'm headed to, who all are joining me on this road trip, that all you will get to know in a short while. Actually, I'm riding with a group, so I'll introduce all of the members in the vlog very soon as I meet all of them at the meeting location, obviously. And yeah, that's the agenda for today and tomorrow. It's Saturday today, and we're gonna be traveling towards the hills. That is all that I can tell you as of now. So yeah, for now, let's just enjoy the ride, enjoy the beautiful morning, and I'll see you once we reach there. Waheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji ki Fateh. Sat Sri Akal. Okay boys, so we are all set. All the group members are here and we have started from here. Now it's just the matter of hitting the highway and enjoying this journey, going to our destination. And it's been a hot while since I've been on a road trip. I'm really excited for it, to be honest. So the group that I'm riding today with is the group that I usually ride with on Sunday rides. So the group's name is One Life to Travel, which is so appropriate as it's just one life. Live it completely, live it safely, but live it to the fullest. So I haven't told you yet about our destination, where we are going today. That I'm gonna keep a secret up till a certain point. Once we stop somewhere to get some tea break or something like that, then I'll definitely share the destination that we are going towards.
I was not ready to fall in like I'm wasted. My heart grows heavy. Don't taste me rushing and keep your words naked. You got me blushing. And you forever I'll follow. You be my holy ground. You forever I'll follow. In immortality, I can see you and me free. In immortality, I can see you and me free.
So time for update. So far we have done 206 kilometers till now. The ride is going very smooth, everything is going good so far. It's all good. So far so good. And the sun has started to come up and the heat has started to build up, but the wind is actually helping us in covering the distances, because if you tend to slow down your speed, or if you are stuck in a traffic, then the heat actually takes a toll on you. So in order to cover the distances, you have to take water breaks every now and then. So Ambala is only 20 kilometers from here, and we might take a small water break over there and just to get the bikes refilled. I know that I haven't disclosed the location that I am going towards. I am going towards Morney Hills. Now, if you don't know where the Morney Hills is, just Google it and you will be able to find it out. It's a beautiful place. It's going to be a 2-day trip. So today is Saturday, we're gonna reach there in a couple of hours and we're gonna spend the day over there, and tomorrow Sunday we'll start from there towards back to our home. Hopefully in the afternoon or maybe in the morning, we'll see about that. And so far it's all good. I hope you guys are enjoying the ride, because I certainly am. So the bike is also thirsty, I am also thirsty. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna take a small water break as well as to get the bikes refilled. So yeah, I'll catch you guys once we reach there. Okay boys, so time for update. Right now we are at Ambala. This is called Factory Stores. This place is called Factory Stores, and this place is in Ambala, just on the highway. So we have stopped here just for water break and just to get some rest, because we have been riding for quite a while now since morning. So the destination where we are headed towards, if I haven't told you right now, it is Morney Hills. So if you don't know what Morney Hills is or where Morney Hills is, just Google it out and you'll be able to find it out. So now we're just gonna have some break, rehydrate our bodies, because the heat has started to build up really quickly because the sun has started to come up. So that is why now it is very essential to take hydration breaks every now and then, very frequently. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the ride, because I certainly am. After lockdown, this is the first time that I am out on a, I would say, long ride. It is more or less 500 kilometers in total. So it's good for me just to get the body back in shape, just to get the body back in form for the longer rides that we're gonna do. So yeah, so far it's going so good. I hope you guys are enjoying the ride. So I'll meet you guys in a short while once we start from here, because the destination that we are going towards, it is only 60 odd kilometers left. So once we start from here, I'll meet you guys in a short while. Okay boys, 1 hour break turned out to be 1.5 hour break. So now we are all set to leave. We are all hydrated. We had small bites of bread over here just to get something in our stomach, because it's all gonna be uphill now, 60 or 70 kilometers. So in the hills it usually takes longer to cover the distance, because the distance you tend to cover is not very quick. So yeah, we are all set. By the way, look at Ronan, how beautiful he is looking. And if you can see here, I have made this custom seat cowl, and let me know in the comments down below if you want to see a video on this. I have actually made a small video, a DIY kind of video. So if you want to see, I can always edit that video and publish that. So yeah, we are all set. So let's start from here and continue with our ride.
You left me crying and running through a ghost town, alone and stranded. Why leave me hoping and guessing for the answers? No place stays forbidden. And you forever follow. You be my
As you can see behind me, all these tents, this is where we are living, and we also have a pool over here and some sitting area and some garden where you can enjoy cricket and play badminton. So it is a really beautiful place, all the hills surrounding you, and you live inside a tent, and as soon as you open the window and you look outside, it's just mountains everywhere. So it's really beautiful, to be honest. Now we're just gonna get freshened up, and after that we're gonna start the next adventure. So I'm gonna end this video right here, and I hope you enjoyed the complete ride today, because I certainly did. So I'm gonna give you a complete walk around of this place in the next video, so stay tuned for that. And as always, let nothing hold you back in life, and always keep moving forward. I'll see you in the next ride. Bye bye.